Support na kayo.
Wala tayong mic. Ayun nga, parang na-pause ata yung movie, but ayun nga, we just want to say thank you sa inyong lahat sa pagmahal nyo at pag-support nyo sa amin, and you know, opening day today, and we're grateful that you guys are here to watch and enjoy the film, and sana talaga you enjoy. And of course, please spread
the word. Ito na, Andres, ni Michael.
Ayun nga, I just hope that you guys can share and spread the word of Minamahal Isang Daan Bulaklak para kay Luna. Showing today in cinemas nationwide. So please spread the word and support.
Sabi na niya lahat. Pero, thank you so much for being here sa pagsuporta sa amin at sa pelikula. Sana magustuhan nyo. And ayun, kung may lesson kayong natutunan, share nyo na lang din sa friends nyo, family. Yun. Thank you! Sino yung mga first time nanood? Baka spoil nyo!
Nanood family ko ngayon.
Ay, talaga? Thank you so much po.
Thank you ulit.
So yung nangyari sa ending. So nasa mag-trophy, yung mga nasa taas, mabata.
Thanks guys, sure.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Ashtin.
Thank you, Ash.
Thank you, Andre.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Kamay po ha, kamay.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Ay!
Bye, Ashtin. Thank you.
Enjoy ulit.
Jess, may mag-hi sa'yo doon.
Punta ka sa block screening namin.
Sino yan?
Wow!
Bye, Andres.
Tito Don?
Yes.
What?
Yes! Gusto daw niya mamay si Al. Akin na to.
Parang paparada yan.
Enjoy the movie. It's so long. Oh, picture tayo. Ito, Don ba yan? Okay. See you, enjoy the movie, man.
Bye, Miss Ella.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Andres, bye.
Bye-bye, Jason. Bye-bye. Oh, naman.
1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1.
Bye.
Ingat, ha.
Ma'am Ella, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, Ashti.
Bye-bye!
Ganda.
Thank you po.
Bye, Ash.
Bye-bye!